Di pa tayo tapos mag-ikot sa Zambales. Let's go to Masinloc! Dating minahan, ngayon ay tourist attraction na binabalik-balikan.
Ito ang Coto Kids Pool na matatagpuan sa Coto Mines. May mababaw at malalim na bahagi ng ilog na pwedeng langoyan.
Meron din ditong diving platforms para sa mga feeling adventures dyan.
The atmosphere is very unique. Parang I can't really compare it with any place I've been here in the Philippines. Kasi, of course, yung selling proposition talaga nila dito, unique selling proposition is really clear and clean water. Medyo mahaba-haba ang tatahakin mo. But, as we always say sa show na to, kailangan ka konting maghirap, kailangan ka mag-invest ng konting time, and then the reward is gonna be just greater. This is our reward. And I like the reward.
Dating minahan ang paligid ng ilog. Sa ngayon, katayo pa rin dito ang mga istruktura ng mining site, kaya kahit isinara na ang minahan noong 2010.
I have the meeting this BIA. All you gotta do is just subscribe to the YouTube channel of GMA Public Affairs and you can just watch all the Behind the Drew episodes all day, forever in your life. Let's go! Yeehaw!